a 10th grader, English exams may be tough for you, but with the right tips, you will be able to score well and be confident as well. So let's get into the video. This video is all about the 5 mistakes that are ruining every 10 students' English. First thing is memorizing instead of understanding. See, you have to understand something that English is a language. So in English, understanding is definitely a better option than memorizing because English is not about facts or terms like science or social studies, whatever. But English is a language, so you need a better understanding of lessons or the poems or the writings, whatever. So memorizing answers, I don't know how much marks will it all actually give you, but if you understand and take in the language in that way, then it will help you more in your exams and also in your future endeavors. The next thing is never speaking English. Students read English, write English, and study English, but they never speak in front of people or if they're given a chance to speak somewhere. This will never help you because when you speak English at least 2-3 minutes daily, that can actually boost your confidence and help you improve your language in every way, in your exams or maybe building your confidence or anything. Thinking that English is the most easy subject ever and you will be always able to score very good marks in that. Now, that's again a very big myth, I must say, because even I have seen in my class that when an English exam is approaching, all be very cool and they're not even bothered about that because apparently they believe that just one night studying and revision helps to score great marks. But when the marks come, they do not really actually score great marks as they would have said. That's because you have to not take English so lightly just because it's a language, because English has its own difficult parts in it, for example grammar or be it writing or whatever. So take it in its own way and learn it properly and not taking it so lightly. Being scared of judgment. Now, this is a very big problem, especially as a teenager, because just one laugh from a classmate or just one mocking from a group of students in your class or from your friends, that just demotivates you so much that you will never ever speak up in your life again. But that's not the end of the things, right? Because a fluent speaker and the confident person that you have to become will never stop trying and speaking, because every person has his or her own day and you'll definitely outshine someday. But when you keep trying and keep speaking, if you stop, then that's your failure. So to end this video, let me tell you that if you're in 10th grade, remember that board exam marks will stay on your report card, but the communication skills, confidence, and speaking capabilities that you're going to build will stay with you forever in your life. So, along with focusing on marks, start to build them as well. So, if you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. Until the next video, take care and bye bye.